What if one small decision today could determine whether you retire wealthy or broke? This decision doesn't require degrees, a big salary, or luck. Just $100 a month. My name is Nick, and I help people build wealth through small, consistent habits. Most people can't access $1,000 in an emergency. People look middle class, but underneath, many are broke. But there is a way out, and it starts with just $100 a month. We think wealth comes from huge business wins or lottery luck, but the real secret is boring. Consistency plus time plus compounding. Saving $100 monthly puts you ahead of 60% of people. It's a few coffees, a couple subscriptions, or impulse shopping. It's not about having $100, it's about redirecting it. You can free $100 by reducing expenses, or you can earn an extra $100 through a side skill. Once you invest it, your money becomes a wealth machine. $12,000 invested becomes around $18,000 in 10 years. In 40 years, $48,000 becomes more than $350,000. Most of that growth comes from your money working for you. People fail because they chase quick rewards, not long-term results. Automate your $100 investment like a mandatory bill. When you see your money grow, investing becomes exciting. That excitement pushes you to increase your contributions later. You choose investing over lifestyle upgrades. Wealth builds like a snowball rolling downhill. You'll see crashes and recoveries. But consistency wins. People quit when the market drops, right before it recovers. Those who stay invested win. Your future wealth depends on the decision you make today. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best is now. Start with just $100. Your future self will thank you.